Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily, and hello to all our wonderful listeners. It is so good to be back here with you today.
It's great to see you, Paul. How are you doing?
I am feeling fantastic, thank you. I had a very nice, quiet weekend. How about you?
I'm doing great. I am very, very excited about our topic for today.
Oh?
Yes, it's a topic that so many English learners ask about. It's a very big feeling.
A big feeling? Okay, I am curious. What is it?
Today, we are talking about this problem. I can understand English, but I can't speak.
Ah, yes. Emily, that is the number one problem. I hear this from so many people.
Me too. They say, I can watch movies, I can listen to podcasts, but when I try to talk, my brain stops.
Yes, the words are gone. It feels stuck.
Exactly. It feels like your voice is locked. But today, we are going to share some powerful and practical tips to help everyone unlock their English voice.
That sounds perfect. This is a very, very important episode.
It is. But wait, before we start, we have a small, friendly request for all of you listening.
Yes, we do. If you like our podcast and you are learning with us, please take just 1 second to give this episode a like, a big thumbs up.
It really helps our channel grow, and it helps other English learners find us.
And please, click that subscribe button for Mr. English Channel. That way you will never miss our new episodes.
Thank you all so much. Your support is amazing.
Okay, Emily, I am ready. My voice is locked. How do I find the key?
Okay. The first key is to change how you listen.
Change how I listen, but I already understand. Isn't that good?
Understanding is wonderful. It's step one. But we need to change our listening from passive to active.
Passive to active. What does that mean?
Passive listening is when you are doing other things. Maybe you are cleaning or driving, and the English is in the background. You understand, but you are not focused.
Ah, yes. I do that a lot.
Active listening is when you listen and you repeat.
Oh, so I hear a sentence and I say the sentence.
Yes, there is a wonderful technique called shadowing.
Shadowing? Like my shadow on the ground?
Exactly like that. You become the shadow of the speaker. You listen to a podcast or a short video, and you try to repeat what the person says at the same time.
At the same time? Wow. That sounds very difficult.
It can be. So you can start small. Listen to one sentence, press pause, and then repeat the sentence.
Okay. Listen, pause, repeat. I can do that.
And when you feel more confident, you can try to speak with the person. It's okay if it's not perfect.
I see. So I am not just hearing the English, I am making the English. I am practicing the sounds and the music of the language.
You said it perfectly, Paul. The music of the language. It trains your ears and your mouth to work together.
That's a great first tip. Active listening. Shadowing. I like it. What is next?
The next tip is to create your English mode.
My English mode. What is that? Like a secret superhero?
Yes, it is. It's a time in your day when you only think and speak in English.
Only think in English? Oh, that is hard. My brain loves my first language.
Of course, but you can practice. The best way is to talk to yourself.
Talk to myself? Okay. People will think I am a little crazy.
You can do it when you are alone. You just narrate your day.
Narrate? You mean say what I am doing?
Yes. For example, when you are in the kitchen, you say, "Okay, I am making coffee now. I need a cup. Where is the milk? Ah, the milk is in the fridge."
Oh, I can do that. I am sitting in a studio. I am talking to Emily. I am happy.
See, you are doing it. Good job. It feels a little silly at first, but it is so powerful
Why is it powerful?
because it forces your brain to find the words. It is not just understanding, you have to produce the language.
Ah, my brain has to work. I need cup. It's practice for real situations.
Exactly. Try it for just 5 or 10 minutes every day. That is your English mode.
Okay, I will try. So I am shadowing and I am talking to myself. But Emily, what if I don't know the words? I stop because I'm searching.
That is a perfect question. And this is tip number 3. Stop memorizing single words.
Stop. Stop learning new words? But I need more words.
No. I mean, stop memorizing lists of words like cat, dog, book, house. This is not very helpful for speaking.
So what should I learn?
You should learn chunks.
Chunks? Like a chunk of cake?
I like chunks of cake, but no. Chunks are groups of words. They are phrases. They are sentence starters.
Okay. Give me an example of a chunk.
Instead of learning the word point, learn the whole chunk. That's a good point.
Oh, that's a good point. I can use that in a conversation.
Yes. Or instead of learning the word mean, learn the chunk, you know what I mean.
You know what I mean.
Or let me see. Or that's interesting.
Oh, these are like tools. They are ready to use. I don't have to build the sentence.
Exactly. You don't have to think about grammar. You just use the chunk. It makes you sound natural, and it gives your brain time to think of the next idea.
Oh, these are like shortcuts for fluency. I love that. Learn chunks, not single words.
Yes. Now, the next tip is maybe the most important one.
Okay, I'm ready.
You must speak every single day.
Every day. Oh, Emily, I am so busy. I have work. I am tired. I don't have time.
It doesn't have to be 1 hour, just 5 minutes or 10 minutes, but every day.
So 5 minutes every day is better than 2 hours on Saturday?
Yes, much, much better. Speaking English is a skill, like playing the piano or playing football. You must practice often.
It keeps the English muscle in your brain active?
Yes. But then the next question is, who do I talk to? right?
Right. I am shy. I don't live in an English-speaking country.
You can talk to your phone.
My phone. My phone doesn't answer me.
No, you use the voice recorder app. You record yourself.
Oh no, I don't want to do that. I hate my voice. I will hear my bad accent.
No, your accent is not bad, Paul. Your accent is just you. This is a very, very good tool. You can ask yourself a simple question,
Like what?
like, what did I do today? And then you answer. You press record and you say, today I woke up. I was tired. I, went to work. I ate a sandwich for lunch.
And then I listen to the recording?
Yes, you listen and you think, oh, I said that very well. Or you think, that word was difficult. I will practice that word.
So I am my own teacher.
You are, and there is no pressure. No one is watching. It is just you and your phone. It is fantastic practice.
Okay, I will try it. It sounds a little scary, but I see why it is a good idea.
It is. And here's another fun way to practice. Very similar. Role playing.
Role-playing? Like in a movie?
Yes, you imagine a situation. You are at a restaurant. You are at the airport. You are in a job interview.
And I talk to the wall?
Yes, you talk to the wall. Or you talk to your dog or your cat. You pretend. You can be both people.
Okay, let's try. Hello, sir. Welcome. What would you like to order?
I would like a pizza, please.
A pizza. Okay. And to drink?
I will have a water, please.
This is fun.
It is fun, and it trains your brain to react in English. It prepares you for real situations. So when you are really at a restaurant, your brain doesn't freeze.
It doesn't freeze. That is the big problem. Freezing. This trains the brain to improvise. I love this idea.
Now, we have to talk about the biggest, scariest monster in the room.
A monster? Oh no, what is it?
The fear of mistakes.
Yes. That is a very big monster. I understand, but I don't speak because I am afraid. I am afraid my grammar is wrong. I am afraid people will laugh.
Everyone feels this way. Every single learner. But I want to tell everyone a secret.
A secret? Tell us.
Mistakes are your friends.
My friends? No, Emily. Mistakes are bad. They are red pens on my test.
No! In speaking, mistakes are good. A mistake is proof. It is proof that you are trying. It is proof that you are brave.
I never thought of it that way. A mistake means I am brave?
Yes, you cannot learn to speak without making many, many mistakes. It is impossible. Fluency comes after the mistakes, not before.
Wow, that is a very big idea. So I should just speak, even if it is not perfect.
Yes, the goal is communication, not perfection.
Communication, not perfection. I am going to write that down. I love it.
Did the other person understand your idea? Yes? Then you win. You did a great job.
That takes all the stress away. Okay, I will try to be brave and make friends with my mistakes.
Please do. And that brings us to our last big tip. To stop freezing, you must practice responding.
Responding. You mean answering?
Yes, Listening is wonderful, but a conversation is two-way. It is listen, speak. Listen, speak.
That is the hard part, the fast part.
It is, so you must practice it. You can use an AI, like a chatbot on your phone. You ask it questions, and it asks you questions. You must answer.
So I train my answer speed.
Yes, or you can find a friend who is also learning, or a teacher. The secret is to train your brain to reply, not just to listen. Listening is passive. Replying is active.
This all makes so much sense. It is all connected. Active listening, active thinking in English mode, and active replying.
You got it, Paul. That is the whole plan. The English is in your head. You do understand. These tips are the bridge. They help you move the English from your ears to your mouth.
Wow. Emily, these tips were so helpful. I feel motivated. I feel like I can speak.
You can speak, Paul. You speak beautifully.
Thank you. But these are very practical ideas. Let's do a very quick review.
Great idea.
Okay, tip 1. Practice shadowing. Listen and repeat.
Tip 2. Create your English mode. Talk to yourself.
Tip 3. Learn chunks. Those groups of words, not single words.
Tip 4. Practice every single day, even just for 5 or 10 minutes.
Tip 5. Record your voice on your phone. Be brave and listen.
Tip 6. Do role plays. Pretend you are ordering a pizza.
Tip 7. Make friends with your mistakes. Remember, communication, not perfection.
And tip 8. Practice responding. Train your brain to reply.
That is a powerful plan. Thank you so much, Emily.
You are so welcome. And thank you all for listening today. We truly hope these tips help you unlock your English voice.
Yes. Remember, understanding is a wonderful skill, but your voice is the bridge to connection. Speak every day, even if it's imperfect. That is how fluency begins.
That is so true. Well, that is all the time we have for today.
It is? Before you go, please, if you liked this episode and found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Mr. English Channel.
And please give this episode a like so other learners can find it. And share it with a friend who feels stuck.
Yes, and we have a question for you. Please leave a comment for us below.
We want to know, which one of these tips will you try first?
Yes. Will you try shadowing, or talking to yourself, or recording your voice? Let us know in the comments. We love reading your answers.
We do. It's our favorite part. Thank you all so much for joining us.
Until next time, everyone, keep practicing. Bye-bye.
Bye for now. See you in the next episode.